What up, Devil? Sensei Tutum here with another EOS update for you. This week, I'm going to do dollar and Bitcoin pairs together just because they're very similar. And because of that, I'm going to go ahead and make this a YouTube video. Of course, I'll post the link to Twitter, but I want to make it a little longer. I'll try to keep the pace quick and not get too in-depth as usual with these videos. So what we left with were a bearish and a bullish option. I would say the most likely bullish, quote unquote bullish option is that we have completed a 4-wave down here and have gone 1, making a 2, if not already have put in the 2, up for a 3. So that would be your bullish option, and that would be the potentially extended 5th case. I just say extended because of the magnitude of this first. So if everything micros out the way, high probability, it would be an extension in that 5th wave that this would be making. The other option is that we've completed a 1-wave down somewhere. And there's a couple different options for that. The one that I have on the chart here is that we would have somehow completed the one here. This is hard to count. How do you count straight lines, right? The option that I have listed is that we complete a 1 here, go up in 3, down in 3, up in 5, for a completed 2 here. And in that case, this would be some type of a leading diagonal down. It micros out that it could be a leading diagonal. It really could. What do you expect after that? A swift, deep retrace. And in crypto, you don't always get that deep part because I just notice a lot of the times you don't get a deep retrace on the leading diagonals, and then it does the exact opposite of what most people are expecting and wrecks everyone, or makes somebody a lot of money if they notice it. So keep an eye out for that. And then, of course, the more sideways this gets out of here, the less likely it is correcting a diagonal. However, those 2 counts, diagonal or 3, you should be getting pretty impulsive either way. So you would want to keep an eye at the resistance levels. The pitchfork parallel, the channel line here that I drew, and of course the pitchfork is a shift, high swing, low swing, high swing, and just a regular shift pitchfork. And of course we haven't met the median. That's bullish, right? So, and we're above the median of the channel, right? Of course we've just been rejected at the 786 channel parallel within, but no biggie. We've been rejected there before. Just building up steam. If we get through, should pop. There should be some action this weekend. Unfortunately, it's holiday weekend, and I'm sure a lot of people will be away, and that's when the mini whales can play and use their stacks to manipulate price with low liquidity. So, look for that to happen, and be careful. Don't get wrecked, but, hopefully you can take advantage of it. We're discussing options all the time in the private Discord. We have a plan. Won't get too much into that plan now, but you could, anybody that's at all experienced Elliott Wave trader can look at this chart and see what I'm about to do. So, we'll leave it at that for now, guys. Let's pop over and look at the EOS dollar pair. Same. Different pitchforks, different fib levels, but We have, again, broken up, and we got back inside this larger degree pitchfork, which is a good sign. What happened the last time we broke inside the larger degree pitchfork? Boom, boom. Test it. If you're a pitchfork trader, guys, come over to Trade Devils. You'll learn how to do all this stuff. Perfect pitchfork trading opportunities presented. So, again, if you guys have an idea, if you're, not a member but a former member or just somebody that follows closely, you'll have an idea of what my bias is. But either way, we have bearish, that this is a potentially completed 2. If not a completed 2 here, a move up that we completed 2 here, or, this is going up for an extended 5th. So hopefully no one gets wrecked this weekend, guys. I expect some volatility. Toot out.